Is planting more trees the answer to cooling our cities? Trees are often seen as one of the most effective natural cooling tools for cities. A new global study of nearly 9,000 urban areas just confirmed they mitigate nearly half of the maximum possible urban heat island effect. But there is a massive scientific catch. The cooling is happening disproportionately in places where it is needed the least. The data reveals a profound spatial mismatch. Total cooling is highest in places that are already cooler, specifically high-income suburbs in humid regions, while the hottest, densest urban centers get the least benefit. In upper-income nations, 40% of people receive at least a 0 to 5 degrees Celsius cooling benefit, compared to less than 9% in low-income nations. This isn't just inequality. It's a structural consequence of urban form. These dense centers are dominated by impervious surfaces like concrete and asphalt, leaving very limited space for tree canopy. Surprisingly, the study found that tree cooling efficiency is actually highest in arid, dry climates. In these regions, each additional tree delivers a larger cooling effect than it would in a humid city. But because there are currently so few trees in these dry regions, the total cooling remains low. We have a scenario where the most efficient cooling tool is being used the least in the places that need it most. But here is a critical nuance. Most studies look at air temperature, which underestimates real-world heat stress. When the researchers used wet bulb globe temperature, a metric that includes humidity, wind, and solar radiation, the cooling effect on human heat stress was about 3 times stronger on average. This means that in the right conditions, trees reduce human heat stress far more than a standard thermometer suggests. Is planting more the answer? Even under the most optimistic, maximum plausible planting scenario, trees would only offset about 1/5 of the warming projected by mid-century. Currently, they offset roughly 10%. While urban forests are a vital adaptation tool, they cannot outpace the scale of global fossil fuel emissions. The science is clear. If we want to reduce heat-related harm, tree planting must move out of the suburbs and into the dense, arid, and low-income centers where their efficiency is highest but current coverage is lowest. We don't just need more trees. We need them in the right places. Understand the science shaping our world. Subscribe to Environment Eyepiece.